Ever wonder why some Etsy shops effortlessly show up at the top of the search results while others seem buried? Today I will reveal exactly how Etsy's algorithm works, complete with practical examples to help you get your listing noticed, attract more buyers, and boost your sales. Let's jump in. Etsy search basics, matching and ranking. When someone searches Etsy, two main steps happen. Query matching. Etsy scans your listing titles, tags, categories, and attributes for exact keyword matches. For example, if someone searches rose gold personalized necklace and your listing title or tags include these exact words, Etsy identifies your item as highly relevant. However, exact matches aren't the only factor. Etsy also considers close variations and synonyms. If your listing includes terms like custom rose gold necklace or engraved gold pendant, Etsy may still determine it as relevant to the search. Additionally, Etsy looks at how well your entire listing aligns with the search query. If your title, description, and text all reinforce the same key terms, your listing has a higher chance of appearing in search results. For example, if your listing title is handmade rose gold personalized necklace with birthstone, and your tags include custom gold necklace and personalized jewelry gift, Etsy views it as highly optimized and more relevant for related searches. To improve query matching, research and use the exact words your target audience types in when searching for similar products. Regularly analyzing trending keywords and adjusting your listing accordingly can help you boost visibility and ensure your products reach the right shoppers. Ranking. After matching listings, Etsy ranks them based on multiple key factors that determine how relevant and successful your product is likely to be in search results. These factors include keyword accuracy. Etsy prioritizes listings that have exact keyword matches in critical areas like the title, tags, and description. Listings with relevant but natural keyword placement perform better. Click-through rate. Etsy measures how often shoppers click on your listing when they see it in search results. A higher CTR suggests that your title, thumbnail image, and price are appealing and relevant to the search. Conversion rate. Etsy also tracks how many of those clicks turn into actual purchases. If shoppers frequently click on your listings but don't buy, Etsy may assume the listing isn't highly relevant or lacks persuasive content and rank it lower. Listing engagement. Items that are frequently favorited, added to carts, or shared indicate a strong buyer interest, which Etsy rewards with better rankings. Customer reviews and shop reputation. Etsy ranks listings from shops with positive reviews, high response rates, and strong seller performance higher in search results. Competitive pricing and free shipping. Etsy favors listings that offer competitive pricing and free shipping, as these factors increase customer satisfaction and conversion rates. Recency of updates. Etsy temporarily boosts new listings or recently added ones to test engagement levels. Regularly updating product descriptions, photos, and text can help maintain visibility. To maximize ranking potential, ensure your listing is well optimized with relevant keywords, high-quality images, detailed descriptions, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service. Etsy's algorithm favors listings that are both attractive to customers and drive consistent engagement. Relevance of keywords. Etsy prioritizes listings that match a shopper's exact search terms. For instance, a listing titled Custom Wooden Name Sign for Nursery will rank higher for someone specifically searching for a wooden nursery name sign, compared to a vague title like nursery decor. Specific and clear keywords in your titles, tags, and descriptions can help Etsy better understand your products, boosting visibility. Additionally, Etsy considers partial matches and word order. For example, Nursery wooden name sign may still rank well for wooden nursery name sign, but the exact frame match will generally perform better. To improve ranking potential, include those variations in your tags and descriptions, such as personalized wooden name sign for baby room or handmade nursery name plaque. Using long-tail keywords phrases with 3 or more words also improve the chances of appearing in relevant searches. A term like rustic farmhouse wooden nursery name sign not only narrows competition but also targets highly specific buyers looking for that exact aesthetic. To maximize visibility, analyze how shoppers phrase their searches using Etsy's autocomplete suggestions and competitor analysis. Experiment with different keyword structures, and refining your listings based on performance metrics will further enhance your shop's discoverability. Listing quality and conversion rate. Etsy closely monitors how often shoppers click and then buy your items. This ratio is your conversion rate. Imagine 2 candle listings. Listing A: high quality photos, clear description, priced competitively. Out of 100 visitors, 10 make a purchase. Listing B: poor images, unclear details, fewer sales. Only 2 out of 100 visitors buy. Etsy will rank listing A higher as it converts better, making it more visible to potential buyers. Customer experience and shop reputation. Your shop's overall reputation significantly impacts your ranking. Shops with consistently positive 5-star reviews, fast response times, timely shipping, and clear return policies rank higher. For example, a shop that consistently receives 5-star ratings and responds quickly to customers will outrank one averaging 3 stars and slow response time. Etsy also takes into account how frequently a shop receives reviews, not just the overall rating. If 2 shops have an average of 4.8 stars, but one has received 50 reviews in the past month, while the other only received 5, the more actively reviewed shop may be seen as more relevant and trustworthy by Etsy algorithm. Additionally, factors such as responding to customer inquiries within 24 hours, providing detailed, frequently asked questions to reduce confusion, and ensuring a seamless return process all contribute to a shop's trustworthiness. Shops with poor customer service, such as delayed responses, negative reviews about shipping delays, or complaints about item quality, may see a drop in search rankings over time. To improve shop reputation, encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews by following up with them, offering excellent post-purchase support, and ensuring accurate product descriptions to minimize returns and disputes. Recency and freshness boost. New listings enjoy an initial freshness boost, temporarily appearing higher in search results. For example, when you add a new vintage floral dress listing, Etsy temporarily boosts its visibility to assess buyer interest. This boost allows Etsy to test whether shoppers find your listings appealing. If it receives clicks, favorite, or purchases during this period, Etsy is more likely to continue showing it in search results. However, if engagement remains low, the listing may quickly drop in ranking. Regularly adding new items or updating existing listings can maintain this visibility boost. Simple updates such as refreshing product descriptions, improving images, or adjusting keywords signal to Etsy that your shop is active and up to date. Additionally, relisting or renewing a slow-moving item can temporarily boost its visibility, giving it another chance to gain traction in search results. Personalized search results. Etsy personalizes search results based on a buyer's past behavior. For instance, if someone regularly searches for minimalist jewelry, Etsy will prioritize minimalist necklaces and rings, even if their search is general like gold ring. Etsy's algorithm continuously learns from user interactions, taking into account what they search for, what they click on, and what they ultimately purchase. Additionally, Etsy considers favorite items and items left in carts when curating search results for a particular buyer. If a shopper frequently saves or adds boho-style earrings to their cart, Etsy may show them more boho-inspired jewelry the next time they search for general terms like earrings. To take advantage of these personalizations, sellers should use detailed, accurate product descriptions that reflects how customers might categorize and engage with their items. Using relevant style descriptors such as modern, minimalist, boho, or vintage in your listings can help Etsy recommend your products to the right buyers based on their past behavior. Ensuring a consistent theme across your shop can also reinforce Etsy's algorithm to show your products to the ideal audience. By understanding and optimizing for Etsy's personalized search results, you can increase the chances of your listings appearing in front of engaged, interested buyers who are most likely to convert into customers. How you can influence Etsy's algorithm? You have a control over several factors. Keyword optimization. Clearly use exact match phrases like boho leather handbag. Listing quality. Improve conversion rates by optimizing photos, descriptions, and competitive pricing. Customer service. Provide excellent service to earn strong reviews and high rankings. Regular updates. Continuously add new products or refresh listings to keep them boosted in search. To make sure your Etsy shop ranks well and attracts the right buyers, follow these essential strategies. Use exact keywords, include specific descriptive keywords in your title, text, and descriptions. Instead of handmade jewelry, use sterling silver birthstone necklace. Optimize your listings for conversions. Highly quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing improve click-through rates and sales. Boost customer satisfaction. Encourage positive reviews by providing excellent service, responding quickly to messages, and ensuring smooth transactions. Stay active with updates. Regularly update product listings, add fresh items, and refine keywords to maintain Etsy's freshness boost. Analyze performance. Use Etsy Analytics, eRank, or Marmalade to track keyword effectiveness and adjust strategies accordingly. By consistently applying these tips, you will increase your shop's visibility, attract the right buyers, and boost your sales. Start optimizing today and watch your Etsy business grow. Now you can clearly understand Etsy's search algorithm with practical examples. You are well equipped to optimize your shop and boost visibility. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. Until the next time, happy selling!